Hey guys, so I'm here to shoot my most requested video, and that is my signature makeup. So I thought I should come and show you all the products that I use so that you will get better idea and the way I apply them. So there's no rocket science to my makeup, and I have one particular signature makeup that I do all the time. So yes, I never forget my face mist, and this one is Peach Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist. So this one, and मेरे लिए मेकअप का मतलब है lot of hydration, lot of glow, lot of sheen, because I believe you should be shining whole day. All the products that I use, they have a sheen in it. So I make sure that I'm hydrated well and I don't forget even a one step. You cannot forget your neck. This is, you can see, it's like shining. Then a bit of moisturizer. I use this Medicube. It has vitamin C capsules in it, and this one is magic. The fragrance is so natural. Now my skin is prepped. Now I'll go with the primer. Yes, I don't forget a primer. मुझे लगता है कि अगर आपके फेस पे कुछ भी लाइंस हैं or you have some pores. Okay, let me show you this one. Vive Skin Nova Instant Radiance Primer. So this is amazing. So I'm gonna apply all over my face. So I'm done. Again, one more glow. मुझे लगता है कि अगर आपका बेस अच्छा है, अगर आपका स्किन अच्छा है, तो कोई भी आप मेकअप ऊपर लगाओ वो अच्छा ही लगेगा और आप हमेशा ग्लो ही लगोगे. मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर आपका फेस बहुत ड्राई है देन आपको बहुत 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 ध्यान रखना पड़ता है एंड थोड़ा सा एज ज़्यादा दिखती है. आई ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद माई फेस. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं आपको आई से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए, बट मुझे फेस से स्टार्ट करना बेटर लगता है. आई मेक श्योर दैट आई यूज ब्रश, नॉट द ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि जब भी आप कोई प्रोडक्ट लगाते हो और आप ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से उसको ब्लेंड करते हो तो वो पहली बार आपको अंडर आइज के नीचे क्रैक आ जाता है. सो आई मेक श्योर आई हैव अ ड्राई ब्रश एंड I blend it well. So now I'll start with my foundation. I leave all the product details नीचे. Don't worry, okay? So I make sure that मेरा जो भी foundation है, I just buff it. I don't just apply on my face and then do it. ऐसे मुझे लगता है कि application बहुत natural लगती है. You just saw how much foundation I took. और मैं उसी को पूरा ब्लेंड कर देती हूँ. आई एम नॉट हाइडिंग माई टैटू. सो मेरा जितना नेक विजिबल है उसको मैं प्रॉपरली कवर करूँ. सो ये मेरा एवरी डे का मेकअप होता है एंड नथिंग टू मच, बट आई टेक लाइक गुड 10 minutes to my makeup and 5 minutes for mascara. So if you see, now I have blended it well. So blend, because blend is your only friend. So what I'll do, I'm using this Kosas and I'll make sure that I apply here. बिल्कुल आँख के नीचे नहीं लगाऊंगी. यहाँ थोड़ा सा यहाँ. That's it. Yeah, I'll start blending this one. Just creating a good jawline that I already have. So now you see how I'm blending. थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट हम बिल्ड देखो कभी भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, बट अगर हम एक बारी बहुत ज़्यादा लगा लेते हैं तो वो थोड़ा केकी कर देता है, थोड़ा ग्रे कर देता है आपके फेस को. सो मेक श्योर कम लगाओ बट बिल्ड करते रहो. Why not? So I'll just put थोड़ा सा और and that's it for my concealer. Automatically एकदम से you have like a good bright eyes. So if you see that I have blended it well, and if you know me, then you should know that I love blush. Like और जो मेरा blush का placement है, I make sure that it goes only like that. Okay, so what I do, I apply all over. In the sense, I make a proper W because I believe ये बहुत मतलब natural लगता है और nothing overdo for this. I really love it this way. trust the process. Let me blend it. So don't worry. I know शुरू में बहुत scary लगता है. So same beauty blender. So what I'm doing, I'm using the back side and I'm blending it well. जब हम ब्लश नीचे लगाते हैं उसके ऊपर जब पाउडर करते हैं तो इट स्टेज. अदरवाइज ब्लश की एक फितरत होती है, ये बहुत जल्दी उड़ जाता है. सो जब भी हम मेकअप करते हैं तो वी मेक श्योर दैट वी पुट लॉट ऑफ ब्लश बिकॉज इट गोज. Blush is like your one bad friend that doesn't stay with you forever, so you have to keep calling it back and back. So now I'm using Christian Dior contour. So I make sure that I don't use much contour because my face is already very chiseled, but thoda sa nose. जो भी आप contour लगा रहे हो forehead पे, it should go in your hair. And this up, this down. So now I'm done with my base. I'll start my eyes. Okay, so there is one product. It's Humor 2 base something. So I'll link it. So I'll just take this much and I'll just blend it well. Put it on my eyes. So it's a very good primer for your eyes. So क्या होता है, आपको creasing नहीं होती है, आपका eye makeup actually stay करता है. So I'll take it just above my brow bone and I make sure that I just blend it. So मुझे इसको powder करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. It's done. So okay, let me start with my eyes. So I'm using Natasha Denona Need a Warm palette. I can never stay without this palette. Like this has all the warm shades that we Asians we need. Even any skin tone, warm shades can never go wrong. So I'm using this particular one. So I'm just creating my crease. So with this eye base that I just used, this one, आपको जो भी आप प्रोडक्ट ले रहे हो, otherwise we do this motion, but इसके साथ we have to put the product there because हमें इस प्रोडक्ट को भी मैं पाउडर से नहीं इसको सील करती. I just do it with my eyeshadow. I'm just packing the product in my lid. I believe जो आपका eye makeup होता है ना, it should be like the rays of the sun. They should merge together. There shouldn't be like any lines, any creases. Make sure your outfits, your makeup, anything that you do should be blended well. Otherwise कोई भी चीज़ एक्स्ट्रा होती है तो वो थोड़ी अटपटी लगती है. So I'm using this pencil brush and I'll be taking this color together and I will create a V. So guys, like this is my signature makeup. Like ये मेरा everyday होता है. So whenever I have to go anywhere, so even शादी, function, my classes, anything that I do, so this is the makeup that I do. So because everybody has their own style of doing their makeup, of doing their skincare, of wearing their clothes, so I believe कि हर किसी का हाथ एक चीज पे सेट होता है because उसको पता है वो इसमें अच्छा लगता है. Again I told you that it has to be merged together. वो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि ऊपर अलग कलर है, नीचे अलग कलर है, and makes your eyes pop out. Do you see that? Do you see that? So now I'll take a bit of lighter color, create and give some depth. So now what I'll do, you've seen that I've created this. So now I'll take this moon dust, some sort of shimmer, and just dab. And ये एकदम से आपकी eyes pop out कर देता है. That looks different. और हाँ, do you see that? See that? Okay, so now under eyes, very important. Okay, the same color, I'll take this and I'll just, that's all about my eyes. So now what I do, अभी तक मैंने under eyes set नहीं किया है, so now I'll set my under eyes. I'll make sure कि मैं एक बार दोबारा से इसको proper blend कर दूँ so that अगर कोई creasing हुई है या कुछ भी product है, so I'll use this Chanel loose powder with brush. जो मैं pack है वो मैं सिर्फ under eyes पे और हल्का सा यहाँ पे करती हूँ. So मैं हर जगह powder नहीं लगाती because as you know that I love glow. पाउडर से थोड़ा सा ग्लो चला जाता है. So that's it. And now my brows. I know बहुत से लोग बहुत पहले करते हैं, बाद में करते हैं. But I don't know, like जैसे जिसका हाथ सेट है, मेरा ऐसे ही सेट है. So I'll make sure कि अगर मेरे ब्राउज पे कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट है पहले तो मैं उसको वाइप ऑफ करूँगी विद स्पूली. बिकॉज क्या होता है कि आपका प्रोडक्ट प्रॉपरली आता नहीं है अगर आपके ब्राउज क्लीन नहीं है. And do you see that? I'm going in the opposite direction because this way I get a better idea कि मुझे इसको कहाँ लगाना है. So इसमें जितने भी थोड़ा सा फिल करना है that I do. Make sure कि आप जब भी ब्राउज अपना कर रहे हो so you never start doing from here, you know, because the product आप एकदम से यहाँ लगाओगे ना तो एकदम से बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. So I'll start इधर एंड जो प्रोडक्ट बच जाता है देन आई विल कम हियर. दिस वे इट्स ऑलवेज प्रिसाइज्ड एंड बेटर so that you don't look like 70s heroine with your brows. Go easy and make sure that you know you match your hair color and your brows. Do you see the difference? Oh my god, do you see the difference? That's the beauty of brows. और जितनी मोटी brows उतने आप young दिखते हो. Women, they should have good lips and good brows because they look young. And you'll get to know when you'll turn 40. Believe me. Done. Do you see that? Okay, so now let me freeze my brows with this Anastasia product. This is a game changer. And you don't need that your brows should be moving here and there when you're going out, so it should be locked well. So I make sure that you know I always brush it in the direction they're going, in the direction and then sleep. So that's what I like. So it shouldn't be like it should be like with the you know natural shape. Do you see the difference? I love it, guys. Okay, so done with the brows. So now what I do, blush. How can I forget my blush? So I'm using this Patrick. So it has like a powder and a cream. So we'll start with the powder the same way that we did when we were applying makeup se pehle. So same way I will apply because this one is really pigmented, so you need to be very careful. So now I'm done with the powder and now I'll use the cream one. I'm packing it. So you know this product goes ulta. So first you have to put powder and then you pack it up with the cream. And I love that thing about Patrick blushes. Because powder के ना वो बहुत dry कर देता है कुछ time बाद and you know it doesn't give you glow. So I like this one. So it has a very good sheen. Do you see that? I love it. And I told you that blush हमेशा भर के लगाओ. Okay, so now this I'm using. This is Iconic Illuminator. So what I'll do, I'll just take a bit, very tiny dot because it's really very pigmented. So what I'll do, I'll just pop it out and apply. Do you see? Apply. So do you see this glow? This is something I live for. So I make sure that all the products that I have in my vanity, it should be glow and glow. So and I make sure that I apply here. I like it. Do you see that? And thoda sa yahan. Done. Now what I'll do, I'll just pack it up. And believe me, I use like lot of sprays. So I'm using this Titter and just fan it out. अभी आप देखोगे मैं बहुत सारे स्प्रेज लगाती हूँ लेकिन so धीरे धीरे करके बहुत सारे आएंगे. So stay tuned.